Hey crafty cuties, we are walking in to Craft Warehouse, meeting my mom here. Let's go see what they have. Cute little $5 journals. These look really fun. Cute. It's a mini envelope punch board. You can make smaller envelopes with the regular size, but you have to figure out the measurements yourself, which is not that hard, but it kind of is. So I came here to look at their art journal supplies because they have just a huge amount of stuff. But I've also been dying to grab one of these Prima stamps, and now that I'm into art journaling a bit more, I think one of these would be perfect, and 10 bucks is not bad, I don't think. I think they're so pretty. These are really cute too. Santoro. I really like that one. I like that it has like little butterflies and flowers. What a hard decision. I really just want to pick up one. I feel like I like that one the best, but I also like this one up here because it's a little bit bigger. But I mean, this one's pretty too. They're all so pretty. I'm gonna look over here at some of the Tim Holtz stuff. I don't use my die cutting machine as much as I wish I did. These are really pretty. I think I have a lot of stamps that have butterflies, so I don't feel like I really need that. These are fun for like texture. And then like every color of spray that you need. Ooh, I should see if they have alcohol inks here. They probably do. Wow, they have a ton of stencils. Okay, they have lots of the ink. They got all the Tim Holtz. These are really fun little clips for junk journals, but I have a bunch. Tons of clearance Christmas stuff, but I have enough of that. But oh, I never saw this stamp. Isn't that cute? Alright guys, so let me show you what I got from Craft Warehouse as well. I have loved the Distress Oxides, and these were on sale. I can't remember what they were. It was like 2 for something, and so I picked up the Picked Raspberry. I think it will look really good with the colors that I already have. And then if you saw my recent Michael's haul, I bought like 3 alcohol inks. I couldn't think there. And I wanted to try one of the mixatives that's like, it's like a silver and it looks kind of like a metal. So yeah, I got the silver. And then I did actually go ahead and get the alcohol blending solution, which you can use with the alcohol inks to kind of play with them, and it obviously blends the colors together. I have heard that you can use just regular alcohol, like isopropyl 99 or 100, or it's like a specific alcohol. I know that would be much less expensive, but I didn't know exactly which one you should get, and I don't know if it's the exact same thing as this. And since I wanted to play around with it, it can be frustrating sometimes if you're trying to use like your own, you know, dupes, or your own, like, I'm going to use vinegar instead of this, or I'm going to make my own gesso. Like, it might not turn out great, and so I wanted to have as good of an experience as I can with the alcohol ink, so I figured I would just go ahead and grab this. It was $5.99, but if you guys do know if I can use a certain alcohol in place of this, that would be great to know. And then I did go ahead and get this stamp. I think it will be so fun to play with, really pretty. I mean, I don't think it's something that I will like get a ton of use out of, but I do think it would be maybe pretty to maybe put in some of my junk journals, like the florally ones, but I'm not sure. I think it'll be fun for my art journal at least. And then I picked up this random little stamp. If you guys received or have seen my January junk trunk kits, it's a retro theme and this goes perfectly with it. So I have like 30 more orders that I need to ship out, and so I'm actually just going to go ahead and randomly place this into one of the kits, just as a nice little extra surprise that you wouldn't expect to get in your kit. So that's everything that I got from Craft Warehouse. I love Craft Warehouse and I love you guys, so thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.